is Lutfi Lestari. I'm as the Prime Minister. I agree with the motions that marijuana can be used legal as medicine in Indonesia. In Indonesia, traditional people use of marijuana, or we can call it as cannabis, has mainly been found in the northern part of Sumatra, particularly in the Aceh region, and restriction in production, use, and distribution of cannabis were initiated by the Dutch colonial government in the 19th and 20s. Cannabis is the most widely used illicit substance in Indonesia, with approximately 2 million users in 2014. Under the current narcotics law, cannabis is included in the most restrictive schedule, and along with the substances such as heroin and crystal meth or shabu. Penalties for cannabis-related offenses are comparable to shabu or heroin-related offenses. In spite of the common perception that cannabis is less harmful, the ambiguous nature of the narcotics law often triggers the victimization of cannabis users who are either falsely accused as dealers or have limited or no access to legal support during the proceeding. Entrapment and extortion by law enforcement and security officers are widespread. Government attempts to alleviate prison overcrowding by sending users to rehabilitation centers have triggered many criticism, mainly due to their problematic methods, such as forced urine tests and breaches of patient confidentiality, and the questionable effectiveness of mandatory rehabilitation programs, especially as the majority of cannabis users do not develop problematic use. Discriminalizing use, possession of personal use, and small-scale cannabis cultivation for personal use may help resolve various issues ranging from prison overcrowding to extortion of users by law enforcement officers, and may also free up human and financial resources to tackle problematic use. Why is medical marijuana really a thing? I think according to the U.S. National Institute on Drug Abuse, medical marijuana is a term that refers to using the whole unprocessed marijuana plant or its basic extract to treat symptoms of illness and other conditions. And the marijuana plant contains a chemical compound called cannabidiol, or we can call it as CBD, which is usually extracted into an oil and sold as pills, gels, creams, and other forms of remedies to treat pain, seizures, and other health problems. Both scientific studies and anecdotal evidence indicate that cannabis can be used for medical purposes, including to treat nausea, pain, loss of appetite, Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, muscle spasms, and post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. And I think Indonesia should make marijuana as a legal medicine, because marijuana can help several people to survive their symptoms. But when we use marijuana as a medicine, we have to keep the dosage in appropriate dosage. Other than that, cannabis can help someone with the symptoms such as cancer, or when they fight cancer, or depression, and another symptoms that can be helped by marijuana. Thank you.